Hello, welcome back. This is the latest statistics where India, South Africa, Australia already qualified for fourth semi-finalist yet to be decided. For that, we'll have to wait for the match between Pakistan and England. As of now, the semi-final list look like it will be between India and New Zealand and Australia and South Africa. But let us wait for the last match to finish. Why it's tough for Pakistan? If Pakistan wins the last match, both Pakistan and New Zealand will have 10 points each, where New Zealand is having a higher net run rate. For Pakistan to cross the run rate in today's match, they need to win against England with a margin of not less than around 290 runs to 300, not less than that, which is not so easy task. Legend says mathematically it's possible. So let us wait and watch. Expecting a very good match.
पाकिस्तान के लिए सूरत हाल ये है कि पाकिस्तान को इंग्लैंड के साथ जो मैच है, पाकिस्तान हैज टू डिफीट इंग्लैंड बाय 280 रन,
बट मैथमेटिकली इज पॉसिबल.
वसीम ने एक आइडिया बड़ा अच्छा दिया था अभी शो पे आने से पहले. वो ये था कि वसीम ने दिया था या वसीम ने दिया था कि पहले बैटिंग करके पाकिस्तान जो भी स्कोर बनाना है वो स्कोर बना के फिर जाके इंग्लैंड की टीम के ड्रेसिंग रूम को बाहर से ताला लगा दे और सबको 20 मिनट के अंदर टाइम आउट करवा दे और मैच जीत जाए. और वो
I'm taking you through two videos which we already uploaded in our YouTube channel. That is to predict the semi-finalist, and second one, what are the chances Pakistan have and what are the scenarios. Please do watch. Current matches, I just put together all the top 6 teams. That's India, South Africa, Australia, New Zealand, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. And what are the remaining matches left? And if they win the remaining matches, what will be the point at which they will end up? Now let us look at the scenarios. So Pakistan has 2 more matches. What happen if Pakistan lose one of the matches? Ismail from the Legend has the answer. Okay, now the second scenario, what happened? Pakistan win both the matches. Then both the team will have 10 points each, and the fourth semi-finalist will be decided based on run rate. Thanks for your support. Please do subscribe and support me. Thank you.